Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to convert your Excel worksheet to a PDF. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by selecting the File tab up in the top left corner of Excel. And you want to select Print on the left panel here. Underneath Printer, click on the drop-down and select Microsoft Print to PDF and select the big Print button right up here at the top. It's going to prompt you or ask you where you want to save this PDF to. I'll just save it to my desktop here. So I'm just going to type in Excel PDF, and you can name this whatever you want, doesn't matter. If it already has a name, this workbook, it will just take the exact same name it already has, and just go ahead and save it over to the desktop or documents folder. It doesn't really matter to me, but go ahead and select Save. And if we close out of here, we should notice that there is a PDF now on our desktop. So double click on it. And if we open up a PDF reader, you should see that it should load properly. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.